Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeFlix. So in the last video we saw about loops and we specifically saw for loop in our last video, and in this particular video we will do a small task, which is we'll make a converter for temperature. So I give it the name temperature converter.js, and so here's the file of temperature converter. So what we will do in this file is we will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. So first of all, we will see what we have to do. We have to make a function. So to make a function, we do like this and then give a name of function, capital C, which is Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then we give a Fahrenheit temperature in the parameters, and we will return a calculated Celsius temperature. So for that we will take the Fahrenheit temperature, deduct 32 from it and multiply it with 5 by 9. So it is 5 by 9. So this is the formula for Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. So this is the function which we have made. Now if we want to use this function, we will say let Celsius result equal to, just call the function get to see, and let's say we want for 130, and then we will console.log the result, Celsius result, and now we'll run the file. So it is 54.444 Celsius. So if you want to embed anything with it, that's it, save it and run it again. So it says the Celsius, and same way we can make another function for C to F. This time we will take the Celsius temp, which is the Celsius temperature in parameters, and return Fahrenheit temperature. So we will take the Celsius temp, sorry, and then we will multiply it by 9 by 5, and then we will add 32 to it, just the reverse of this formula, and that's it, our function is ready. Let equal to the, call the function get C to F, and just give whatever you want, say 100, and then we will console log another thing, like Fahrenheit result, and then if we want to add something, that's it, and we can run the file again. It says 212 Fahrenheit. Let's just reduce it to 10. Let's just reduce it to 100. Let's run it again and see it's working. And that's how we can make our converter, which is a temperature converter, and we made it just by using functions, and we can reuse this code anywhere in our code which we want. Just we have to require it. Suppose we want to use it in compare.js, just require the temp converter file, we'll get the function, and then we can use it anywhere we want. So that's it for the today video, and hope it helps, and see you in the next video.